I was going through the pantry the other day and I realized I had a container full of oatmeal that I hadn't ate, and I don't even remember how long it's been there. The good thing about oatmeal though is that it's a very versatile ingredient that makes for a delicious, healthy breakfast, of course, but it can also be used for the skin. So in this video, I want to share very simple oatmeal face mask recipes for every skin type. For all of these recipes, I recommend using ground oats. It makes the face mask so much easier to apply this way. So what I like to do is take 2 cups of whole oats and I blend them until they turn into a powder-like consistency. And then I store them in a container, and now I have ground oats ready to be used anytime I want to make a face mask. So I want to start with a mask for oily and acne-prone skin. Oatmeal is one of my favorites when it comes to acne because it's so gentle, yet it helps absorb excess oil and calms any redness on the skin. So I'm gonna mix some ground oats with lemon and a little bit of honey, which also helps with excess oil and clearing the skin. And I leave this on for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. For irritated or sensitive skin, I love to use yogurt. It's very gentle and it leaves my skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So I'm gonna combine the ground oats with plain whole milk yogurt. Make sure it's not flavored. I get that question a lot, and flavored is not the kind you want to use for this. You don't want to apply that kind to your face. If you want to get the true benefits of yogurt, go for the plain whole milk kind. My go-to face mask during the winter time is oats and honey. It's very moisturizing, and what I like to do is apply this, leave it on for a good 15 to 20 minutes, especially if my skin is particularly dry. And then before I rinse it off, I like to massage this into my skin, and this helps to gently exfoliate any flaky or peeling skin that I might have. One of the best natural ingredients to use for scarring and anti-aging is turmeric. It helps improve the skin's appearance because it has anti-aging and lightening properties, so this is the perfect mask for both of those skin concerns. I'm going to combine turmeric with ground oats, and I'm also going to add rose water. Rose water is very nourishing for the skin. It helps reduce redness, and it also has anti-aging properties. But you want to be careful with turmeric because it can stain your clothes and towels, so just be aware of that when you're applying this and rinsing it off. I hope you find these face masks helpful. Let me know in the comment section below which one you'll be trying out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.